In this video, we are going to show you how to create a step-by-step guide or guides using Poppy AI. It is so easy to do this with Poppy. It is more dynamic. All you need to do is open or create a new board like so. And whether it's a document, a book, uh, a PDF, or a video, for this example, we are going to use a video on how to create a popsicle catapult, right? So if you don't want to watch the entire video, it's like 5-6 minutes long. All you need to do is, again, paste your media here and then look towards your left hand side, your main menu, and click this to launch a Poppy chat and connect it like so. Now, once it's connected, all you need to do is prompt your Poppy chat and say, I want you to create a step-by-step guide on how to make a popsicle catapult using the video I linked. Press enter. You can be more expansive. You can be more. You can have a more simpler prompt, but you pretty much ask Poppy Chat to create an outline, a step-by-step outline for based on this video or based on whatever media you're using, right? And as you can see, it is creating a step-by-step guide on how to create a popsicle catapult. There you go. Optimization tips from the video. There you go. It's pretty cool like that, right? So now that you have this, right? So you have materials, you have step-by-step instructions over here. It's very in-depth and it does go all the way to step 10. And it even gives you the tips, extra tips to optimize your whatever it is that you're doing, right? And then after this, all you need to do is just there's a teeny tiny icon here that says copy. There you go. And you can just copy that and paste it in a Google Doc somewhere. So that is how you do it. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. That's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.